Your question: How to use learn and study. Friday, February 3rd, 2017. Question: What is the difference between learn and study, and how are they used? Lucy, Armenia. Answer: The words learn and study are closely related to each other. Learn means to gain knowledge or skill by studying, and study means to read, memorize facts, attend school, etc. When you study something you have not learned it yet, when you are studying something, you are reading books or articles about something you do not know a lot about yet, or using flashcards to memorize facts, or listening to a teacher in a classroom, or watching videos about something so that you can know something or do something well. When you learn something, you make it part of the things you know. When you know a lot about a subject or are very skillful or knowledgeable about something, you have learned it. Learning is gaining knowledge by studying, and studying is done to learn things. Below are some examples showing how these two words are used. He learned about computers by reading a book. He studied computer science in college. He is learning a lot about patient care in his nursing classes. She spent an hour every night studying her new vocabulary words. Study the definition of these words to learn them. She learned how to do her job very quickly. Some people learn best by reading books, and others learn best by listening to lectures in class. Students who spend some time each day studying will do well on tests. The children learned several facts about cows in class this week. For more information about the meanings and uses of these words, visit the entries for learn and study here in the Learner's Dictionary. I hope this helps.